We've got vegetables in there. I've got mushrooms, zucchini, spinach, lots of garlic, some oregano, cream, cheese, tomatoes. It is wonderful. Welcome back once again to howtocookkgratefood.com. Let's get on with this one. Okay, so I've got some spinach here. If you're going to use fresh spinach like me, make sure you wash it really nicely in some cold water. You know, it's got little bits of grit and all that in there. And I've chopped that up. If you want, you could use a frozen one. Mushrooms, there's like 150 grams of mushrooms, a couple of decent sized zucchini there, 1 onion, a tablespoon of garlic, about 3 teaspoons of oregano, 1 can of tomatoes. They were whole plum tomatoes, but I just crushed them roughly. We're going to start this off with some olive oil. We're going to add some salt and pepper to this, and we're going to be adding some cream and some cheese to this later, but I'll explain that later on. And also spaghetti. Get your pasta cooked, because we're really going to concentrate on making this, and we'll be adding the pasta of your choice a bit later. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, comment and all that stuff, will ya? So I've got my pan here with some olive oil in. The heat's on. Just put it on now. We're going to get in our onion and our garlic. So medium heat, about 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, a few minutes just getting our onions and garlic together. We can now add in our zucchini, our mushrooms, I'm going to get a little bit of salt in there now, some black pepper, and we're going to go for about another 3 to 4 minutes. Next up, we're going to add the spinach. This is delicious. Wonderful stuff. Next up, we're going to add in our spinach, our fresh spinach. Going to add that oregano. If you want, you could change that. You could put some thyme in, rosemary, basil, or one of those kind of, you know, Italian mixed herbs. It's quite nice in a pasta. So we're going to cook this again, another 4 or 5 minutes. The spinach is going to break down, and then we can move on. Okay, this is absolutely looking great. That spinach has broken down really nicely. We're going to add that 1 can of tomatoes. Like I say, this was a plum whole tomato, and what I've done is I just crushed it with my hand roughly. Stay on this vibrant above medium heat now, just a little bit above medium, and go for about another 5 minutes. You want to kind of just cook those tomatoes out. Really good, really, really good. Okay, we're going to add some cream now. Now, I've got here a thick cooking cream. You don't have to use thick cream, you can use thin cream. I get lots and lots of messages about this. You can use any cream you like. Don't use ice cream and don't use sour cream, but thick or thin, it's not going to make any difference at all. 250 ml of that cream there. Then I've got some lovely grated parmesan here. In that goes. And then I'm going to add some grated cheddar. Now you could be putting any cheese you want in. You could be putting in some cream cheese, you know, like some Philadelphia. That goes nice in here. A blue cheese, like, you know, something nice and strong. Some mozzarella, up to you. Okay, stay on this heat, 3 minutes, keep it moving all the time now. So you've now got an incredible vegetable, creamy, cheesy, tomatoey, garlicky sauce. Grab your pasta of choice. Mine is spaghetti. I'm just gonna get that in there. Now you could obviously be using anything you want. Fusilli, tagliatelle, penne, go where you like. Now, my pasta is cold, because I cooked it earlier, so for about another 3 or 4 minutes, I'm gonna work it in this sauce. And then we're ready, we can serve that, it's delicious. I'll see you at the table. And there you go, look at that, a lovely, creamy, cheesy, garlicky vegetable pasta. Let's give it a little extra parmesan, and that's it. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up, that helps us out a great deal. Leave a comment, we like to hear from you. We will see you very soon. Lots of love. Well, thanks for getting to the end of the video. Now, look, I just want to tell you about this other channel that I've got. It's called Simon Bellyful. It's me basically going out different places in the world where I get the opportunity to go to. I'm eating, seeing people, meeting people, seeing what's happening around there. So if you're into that sort of thing, have a little look at it. See you later.